Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change personal account to business account on TikTok. So go for your TikTok account and go for your profile, and now we have to go for this three dot option here. Now go for settings and privacy. You can see so many options here. You need to go for account, go for switch to business account. From this option, you can switch your personal account to business account. So go for it. Click on next, again next, again and again. Okay, now you have to choose your category from here. So I'll choose this baby option here. Click on next. And you can add your profile photo here or you can skip it. Now you can add your bio here. So I'll add my bio. Okay, you can confirm it or you can just skip it. Now go for create now. Okay, now you have this your business account. If you are go back and again go this three line option, and you can see business suite here, and if you are go for this settings and privacy account, and you can see here switch to personal account. Now you can switch your personal account to from here. So guys, this is how you can switch or change personal account to business account on TikTok. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.